for that, all your cheers and your support. Wow, how are you guys feeling today, this morning? Macam mana perasaan anda semua? Excited tak? Kat sini yang excited, macam mana kat sini? Okay, mesti boleh, pasti boleh. Confirm kan? Okay, so thank you very much for joining us. I know that you guys actually joined dekat, I would say the beginning of December kan, dari mula-mula December, awal-awal December, from 1,300 and more than 1,300 participants sampai hari ini. This is the grand final and we have 11 teams here. I think you guys deserve to give yourself a big round of applause lah. Memang patutlah bagi korang satu tumpukan yang gemar sekali. From 1,300 lebih peserta sampai hari ini 11 dekat grand final. Ini peringkat final lah. Amazing. So kudos to all of you. So today this is the grand final. I wish you all the best. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Vivian. I am excited terhujah sekali nak jadi host bagi kontes pagi ini juga untuk korang semua. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we all know that hari ini kontes ni kita memang berserta berlumba bukan saja untuk menang, tetapi paling penting we are here to have fun. That's right. Macam tadi kita kata have fun. So paling penting menang ke kalah ke, I hope all of you guys had a great time here at Mr. Choi, our tournament. Okay? Boleh tak berjanji dengan I? Boleh tak? Boleh. Okay, thank you very much. So, let me go through with you guys some of the prizes. Kita memang ada banyak hadiah nak bagi korang. Up to 10,000 ringgit worth of prizes. Wow, bagilah cepat sikit ni. Okay, so bagi champion, you will be receiving 3,000 ringgit cash voucher. Oh! On top of that, you will get a medal, ada trophy. For our first runner-up, you dapat 2,000 ringgit cash voucher. Woohoo! Bagus juga kan? Ada trophy, ada medal. And our second runner-up dapat 1,000 cash voucher. Woo! And bagi consolation, ada juga dapat 500 ringgit cash voucher. Maksudnya hari ini setiap peserta pasti boleh bawa hadiah balik rumah. Syok kan? Kalau syok boleh bagi tepukan untuk thank you Mr. Choi and thank you Mr. DIY as well. Because Mr. Choi is part of the Mr. DIY group, history of Mr. DIY. So we thank Mr. Choi for organizing this incredible tournament. And this is the first ever tournament, you know. Tengoklah korang ni. We're so happy to see you all here. So, before we go through all this exciting rules and regulation, I rasa korang pun dah nampak our track, everything. I will go through with you the rules. But before that, let's kick things up a little. Let's start the engine a little with a very exciting opening dance performance. Please put your hands together for our lovely dancers.